In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your Facebook email address. This is crucial for account recovery, security, and notifications. It allows you to reset your password if forgotten, receive alerts about unusual activity or login attempts, and stay updated with account-related notifications. To see your Facebook email address, simply head to Facebook. You want to tap onto the Menus button. Still tap onto this settings gear icon at your upper right. On this page, head to Account Center. Now under Account Settings, head to Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. Here you will see your email address that's attached to your Facebook account. This email address ensures that you can manage your privacy settings and linked accounts efficiently, making it an essential part of securing and managing your Facebook account. That's how easy it is to see your Facebook email address. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up.